Alright boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. George Ezra here with Green Grass. And a happy and optimistic song here from George Ezra. Cool one, 4 very famous chords and a capo on the first fret. That is what we need. So let's go over the chords first. The G, we have 3rd on E, 2nd on A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. Next chord will be E minor, so that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. C next, so that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Finally, we have the D. Of course, G, E minor, C, and D. So that will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. Alright, so this is mostly about one strumming pattern, you can say, with the chords that goes with it here from the G, E minor, C, D. So we're gonna look at this, starts immediately from the intro and the verse, and it will go like this, one round. Alright, so that will be one strumming pattern that we will use here. Will be down, down, clap, down, down, clap. And I play that with the G since that is the first chord. So again, down, down, clap, down, down, clap. That is one round. Clap, down, down, clap, down, down, clap, down, down, clap. Okay, so we need that for the song. So let's go over the chord progression. First, the G, one full strum around there. Down, down, clap, down, down, clap. Then we shift to E minor. And here we're gonna play down, down, clap, down. And after this down, down, clap, down, you switch to G and play down, clap. Okay, so it will be for E minor here, down, down, clap, down, and then switch to G, down, clap. So that E minor and G will together do this second strumming round. So to repeat, E minor, down, down, clap, down, G, clap. Then you continue in the same kind of way here. Now you have the C. You're gonna go from C to G. So that will be C, down, down, clap, down, and then switch to G, down, clap. And the final part will be D to G. So that will be down, down, clap, down, and to G, down, clap. So that is one round of that chord progression. So to repeat that, we had the first G, one full strum round. So down, down, clap, down, down, clap. And from now it starts with this crossovers to different chords here. And now E minor to D, down, down, clap, down, and shift. Down, clap. So E minor G, and then C G, down, down, clap, down, and then G, down, clap, and then you gotta play D, G, down, down, clap, down, down, clap. So slowly, without speaking, it will be like this. Yeah, so there you have one round. You're gonna play 2 rounds of that, and that is the first verse. That takes us to the pre-chorus, loading up when the sun goes down. So now we have the chord progression E minor, D, and C. You're gonna play that for 2 rounds, and it's only 1 down per chord. So it will be like this. Okay, so that is the rhythm. So E minor, D, C, and again, E minor, D, C, and then they end with another C when they sing Undercover. So that will be the first pre-chorus. So 2 rounds of E minor, D, C, E minor, D, C, and then you add an extra C on the Undercover part in the lyrics. And that is the pre-chorus. That takes us to the first chorus, and here you're gonna play in the same way as you play the verse for 2 rounds of that chord progression, and that is the chorus. And from now on, there's nothing new to this song. Pretty much the same. Second verse goes in the same way as the first one, and the same goes with the second pre-chorus. It's just repetition, and the second chorus the same as the first one. That takes us to the bridge part and lyrics, throw a party, and when it comes to the playing, there's nothing new to this at all. It's the same as the chorus and the verse play. You play that for 2 rounds, and that is the bridge parts. And again, third pre-chorus, played in the same way, and you end this song with the chorus number 3. Play in the same way as the other choruses and verses. The only difference here is you're gonna play it for 4 rounds, so it's twice as long. And that is pretty much how Green, 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 Green Grass by George Ezra ends. So, hope that was helpful, guys. That's my mission. I love to educate people, especially when it comes to music. So, if it was, please let me know. Thumb up if you liked it, and if you didn't, please let me know why. I'm curious. So, thank you for watching, guys, and have fun. Play tuned.